Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Live. I'm up in the Troodos today, revisiting an old haunt, Amiantos Hospital. It's an abandoned hospital from when there used to be an asbestos mine. In fact, if I just walk over here, in the distance you can just about see, hopefully, the mine in question. And I've got some drone footage of it as well, so you'll be able to have a close-up look from there, because for obvious reasons the mine itself is closed off to the public. So I'm wandering down to the hospital itself. I don't know what that was, but it wasn't a snake. Oh, some big ants there. You won't be able to see them, but that's something to avoid. Now obviously when you're exploring places like this, always keep an eye out for snakes and make lots of stomping sounds, because it's the vibrations that they feel. I've got to remember how to get into the main thing now. I seem to recall I went round the outside, because it's been a few years since I was last here. On the way here I discovered some more of the miners' living quarters, I guess, which I hadn't seen before, and I took some pictures of them, so hopefully... Oh, it's got a very nice aroma here. If Alex was here, she'd tell you what the aroma is. Now I could cheat and go in that way, but there's a lot of glasses there, so I'm not going to bother. I'll take the long route round. I seem to remember there being a rather stagnant pool up ahead. Yep, here we are, stagnant pool. Now somewhere around here, I think it's in the next building, there'll be lots of numbers and dates, and that's written by the government stagnant pool inspectors. There's a nice reflection there actually. On the way back, so I'm going to take some pictures. I have to remember to get a nice reflection shot of that. I like my reflections. Looks like there's been I don't know if it's someone doing graffiti or just, yeah, it's too fresh to be an original thing that like you might get in a children's zone. What's that? Beware the mind. Okay. Smile back. I'm sure that means something to someone. There's more stuff up there. I'm not going to go up there. Oh, okay. Now that's new. That shrunk. Because when we were here last time, we walked through that. So I'll have to go back that way, I think, or I can just walk around here for a bit more. Actually, I'll do that, and then I can have a quick look at the mine again. So, whether vandals or the passage of time has set in, I don't know. Now up there, which we'll be going to after this trip, is a nature reserve, so I want to have a quick look at there as well, but for now we'll just, I think I'll go back the way we came and go in one of those doors. But anyway, what I was saying about the inspectors, on the walls here they've written their initials and dates, so I'm guessing they must be writing them somewhere else now. That was a bit drastic, wasn't it? Right, here we go, we can go in this way, or can we? We're like rating the graffiti here. There's a cock and balls, it's a fairly traditional item. No swastikas or akabs. Star of David, a German tank. (2022). This was either that or that's just the tag of the person who drew it. Oh, he said someone's drawn a swastika there, but somebody else has crossed out. That's what we like to see. Either that, there's actually a website you can go on that shows you how you can convert swastikas that have been drawn into fluffy animals and stuff like that. It's brilliant. It's the best way to counteract that sort of stupidity. Have a quick look in here. This is psychotherapy. Average hospital temperature. There's actually a thermometer in there, which, according to that, is just over 20 degrees. And I can actually believe that. Place to hit the ceiling. I don't remember seeing this before. Was this room locked in the past? Might have been. Huh. Well, we'll go down here now. There's a lamb design. Looks like from the game Half-Life. Perhaps this is where Freeman is hiding after all those years. Some people might get that reference. Ooh, a mushroom lady with large breasts. There you go. All taste catered for. MKY Cyprus and a swastika. Not been converted yet. Oh, there used to be a bird's nest up there. It's collapsed. Now, there may well be bats in here, because I seem to remember last time getting startled by them. What I want to find are the surgical wards, because they're quite fascinating. Now, they might get all wobbly and hazy at the moment, because there's very little light here, and I haven't got my gimbal. But, there's an old record that's in several pieces. Wonder what that was. Now, somewhere nearby, I can hear a lot of insects. It could indicate a wasp nest of some size. So I'm a bit wary now, though it appears to be on the outside. I think the sooner I leave this room, the better though. One thing guaranteed to put the shits up me is loads of wasps. Now, up this way, I'm guessing, judging from that artwork, it's a fertility clinic. You can't see what I mean yet, but you will do. Happy birthday, George. So it could just be graffiti. I have to say, they've taken the cock and balls, a very small cock has to be said, motif to its extreme there. I think, no matter what you say about graffiti, that has to be applauded. Bravo, sirs, bravo. Right, we'll go through here. There's another bird's nest, that one's intact. Oh, lots of flies over there. Give that a miss. Boom, 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 boom. Looks like someone's playing Minesweeper here. Yes. What strange graffiti they get up here. I mean, let's face it, Minesweepers itself is pretty old. Boom, 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 boom. Where to now? So basically, I'm just going to wander along here until I eventually plop out the other side. And then you can watch whatever film is generated. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. I did actually have a little wander in some of the old workers' houses, but it was pitch black in them because the windows are all boarded up. There's nothing in them. You're going to find like an old This is the way I came from. It's very disorientating. I think it is. Yes, because that's the... oh, this is the way, yeah. Oh, we've got to watch out for that. I don't know, I'm assuming all the power's off, but I can't be sure, so just push that around. I remember, oh, there's lots of flies here too. Now, the question is, why are there flies? Oh, God, why am I doing this? Sorry, there's an existential crisis there. Well, quite a few footprints there, interestingly enough. So perhaps the flies are there just because someone used it as a toilet or something. There's a bathtub there, so this is where they did all their... oh, you can't really see it in this light. Let's carry on. Oh, so much for that pathway. As I'm wearing shorts, I won't be fighting my way through there, neither will I be poking my head up into the loft. That's not because of the lack of long trousers, it's just because I haven't got a ladder. Have a little fireplace. Oh, now there's that way. Oh, there's a fly netting there. I'm always interested in fly nettings because our cats tend to make short work of our ones. Okay, we have a little pathway down here, though it could just be a stream. Right, get out, let's let the light get to the camera again. I could have just reached the end here. I'll go a little further. Oh, nice big spider web. See if I can keep that intact. No, it just goes down. Oh, there is a building through there. Oh, sorry. It's a bit of a long drive, so I'm all creaky now. Ooh. I think I'm just turning up to be below where I started, where that number 507. Take a few fuds. Oh, there's a boiler in there. More flies. Looks like there's a outdoor oven down there, but I'm not going to go to it because it's got the long grasses around here, but full of seed burrs, and I've got bored picking them out of my socks. Right. Did I come this way? I don't know if I did or not. The gorse looks nice and pretty. Reminds me of heathland in Surrey. Can I get through here? Yes, I can. And that also means that I haven't been this way already. I burn kids here. That's nice. What a thing for a tourist. Or there's a huge boiler there. Oh. They're not going to get any hot water out of that. Go this way. Oh, someone's had a go at that. Wonder what they were looking for. Another nest. Haven't seen any bats there. And a lone tit. Let's have a quick look in here. Peeling paint. And a view of the mine almost. Oh, just about, yeah. So anyway, you get the picture as to what this place is like. I'll see if I can get a sense of closure and end up at a place that we've already been to. So I can present a walk for you in a loop. Possibly up there. Big metal thing there. Don't know what that was used for. Well, my head just is saying autopsy room. I imagine that would have been a bit bigger. But what would I know? Right, I think I'm at a place I've been to before. Yes. Because I can now return you to the strange mushroom. And on that fungal note, I shall bid you farewell. I'll include, well, there'll be a blog article about this. If you want to find out how to get here, look at that. Basically, there'll be a link to that somewhere. It's worth coming if you like urban exploring, and also make a point of visiting the workers' quarters. They're just down the road from here. I'll mention it all more in the article. Okay, anyway, hope you enjoyed the film. Cheers, bye.